Welcome to Olympian Cares, giving you the best in water testing and analysis. Today we're looking at Patch, and a village is getting $4.95 million from New York for overdue sewer improvements. Now, when it comes to sewer improvements, this is huge because it can cause a lot of disease, a lot of bacteria, specifically things like coliform, E. coli, and other bacteria can get in. So what is this project going to do? It's going to include pipe segmentation rehabilitation, manhole rehabilitation, and closing illicit connections to the sewer system. So in Mamaroneck, New York, some needed upgrades to the sanitary sewer system in Mamaroneck, and it's going to move into the fast lane thanks to a grant from the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, the DEC, and this is also part of the Water Quality Improvement Project program. Now, this village recently learned that it will be the recipient of this grant, $4.95 million from New York State for this sanitary sewer system improvements. This project is going to include, as we talked about, pipe segmentation rehabilitation. When you need to fix pipes, that's huge because that's not only going to help with bacteria, it can also help with reducing heavy metals, manhole rehabilitation, and closure of known illicit connections to the sewer system. You don't want sewage getting into your water. As I said, this grant will fund a much needed and long overdue sewer rehabilitation project for the village. It's also going to ease the burden on village taxpayers for this necessary infrastructure repair, the Mayor Tom Murphy said. And this is also part, as we mentioned before, of the $272 million in funding for projects that are going to protect water across New York State. As we heard from Kathy Hochul, our state's economic development goals cannot be achieved without clean water for drinking, recreation, and the overall quality for life of New Yorkers that they expect and deserve. So, with this in mind, you need to make sure that not only are you replacing all of this, but are you testing your water? Because even after this is replaced, or while it's being replaced, it's always a good idea to test your water and make sure that it's safe and free from contaminants.